6, things just got a lot safer for workers here at Kennecott's copper pit, thanks to something no bigger than a backpack.
Yeah, and those pictures are enormous. In fact, this new program didn't even exist 5 years ago. New specialist Alex Cabrera shows us how a team of pilots are doing some amazing work.
It is something to see. The work being done inside the Kennecott copper pit is an engineering marvel.
We do it every day, all day long.
And of the dozens of different types of jobs at the pit,
Make sure to turn the strobes on.
from miners
Camera sensor secure.
to geologists,
Okay, we got green lights. We're ready to go.
Matt Key's job
I'm going to take it up.
just might be one of the most important jobs in the entire operation.
We're seeing things that we've never been able to see before.
That's because his job
Okay, we're going hot.
is chief drone pilot,
Take off.
flying close enough to the walls and slopes of the mine,
16 feet.
looking for cracks or signs of movements, anything to make sure it's safe for miners below.
We could stream it back to the control center, in at the admin building, and they could actually visually see it while it's happening.
The drones can also take images of slopes and areas workers couldn't really access before, creating 3D models for engineers to study.
We can see all angles of what we're looking at.
Wind speed's dropped, it's looking good.
Kennecott has had drones for a few years now, but only really got going with them this past summer when the FAA standardized a drone training and license program.
It's not like when you're at the park flying. And when it's here, it's all business all the time.
One of the most recent events in Kennecott history is the landslide from back in 2013. No one was injured during that slide because of all the safety measures put in place by Kennecott. Now, it is even safer here.
Heading back across now.
Drone pilots will also fly around those big Kennecott dump trucks looking for anything wrong.
We can cover larger areas in a shorter amount of time.
Mission completed, returning to home.
It is an important job, a responsible job that didn't exist just 5 years ago.
How many people can say that they enjoy their job like I do?
And workers below enjoy knowing he's there. At the Kennecott Copper Pit, Alex Cabrera, KSL 5 News.
Alex, thank you.